Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off data saver on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First, click on these three lines here, and now here you'll find settings icon. Click on it. Now here you will find data saver. Click on it like this and just click like this and it will be turned off. And that's how to turn off data saver on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.